Number one, the power of compound interest. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to build wealth effortlessly while others struggle financially for decades? One of the biggest reasons is their understanding of compound interest. Compound interest is often called the most powerful force in finance. It works by allowing your money to earn returns and then allowing those returns to earn returns as well. Over time, this creates exponential growth. Imagine investing just $100 per month. At first, the results may seem insignificant. After a year, your account balance might not look impressive. However, as the years pass, the growth begins to accelerate. The secret is not how much you invest initially. The secret is consistency and time. Many people underestimate the importance of starting early. They believe they need a large amount of money before investing. In reality, starting small today is usually far better than waiting years to start with a larger amount. Every day you delay investing is a day your money loses the opportunity to grow. Compound interest rewards patience. It is not designed to make you rich overnight. Instead, it gradually transforms disciplined habits into significant financial results. The wealthiest investors in history understand this principle deeply. They know that time is often more valuable than finding the perfect investment. When you combine regular contributions, patience, and compound growth, you create a powerful financial engine that can work for decades. The lesson is simple. Start as soon as possible, stay consistent, and allow time to do the heavy lifting. 2. The 7 habits of financially successful people. Financial success is rarely the result of luck. Most wealthy individuals develop habits that guide their decisions every day. The first habit is living below their means. They spend less than they earn and avoid unnecessary lifestyle inflation. The second habit is saving consistently. Instead of waiting for extra money, they treat savings like a mandatory expense. The third habit is investing regularly. They understand that money sitting idle loses purchasing power over time. The fourth habit is continuous learning. Financially successful people constantly educate themselves about money, business, and investing. The fifth habit is setting goals. Clear financial targets provide direction and motivation. The sixth habit is avoiding bad debt. They understand the difference between debt that builds wealth and debt that destroys it. The seventh habit is thinking long-term. They make decisions based on where they want to be years from now, rather than focusing only on immediate gratification. These habits may seem simple, but their cumulative effect can be extraordinary. Success is often less about intelligence and more about consistently practicing good financial behaviors over time. Number 3, how to get out of debt and take back control. Debt can feel overwhelming. It creates stress, limits opportunities, and often makes people feel trapped. The first step toward financial freedom is understanding exactly how much you owe. Many people avoid looking at their debts because it feels uncomfortable. However, clarity is essential. List every debt, including balances, interest rates, and minimum payments. Next, create a realistic budget. Identify unnecessary expenses and redirect that money toward debt repayment. One effective strategy is the debt snowball method. Pay off the smallest debt first while making minimum payments on the others. Each paid-off debt creates momentum and motivation. Another strategy is the debt avalanche method, which focuses on paying debts with the highest interest rates first. Avoid taking on new debt during the repayment process. Focus on increasing income whenever possible through side projects, freelancing, or career advancement. Remember that debt repayment is not only a financial journey. It is also a psychological one. Each payment represents progress toward greater freedom and peace of mind. With patience and consistency, even large debts can eventually be eliminated. Number 4, the psychology of money. Money is not just about numbers. It is deeply connected to emotions, beliefs, and behavior. Many financial decisions are driven by fear, greed, insecurity, or social pressure. For example, people often buy things they cannot afford simply to impress others. Others avoid investing because they fear losing money. Understanding these emotional influences is essential for making better financial decisions. One important lesson is that wealth and income are not the same thing. Many high-income individuals struggle financially because they spend everything they earn. Meanwhile, some people with moderate incomes build substantial wealth through disciplined habits. Financial success often depends more on behavior than intelligence. The ability to delay gratification, remain patient, and avoid emotional decisions can have a significant impact on long-term outcomes. The psychology of money teaches us that financial success is much about mindset as it is about mathematics. Number 5, financial mistakes that keep people poor. Many people work hard their entire lives but never achieve financial security. Often the problem is not a lack of effort, but a series of common mistakes. One major mistake is spending more than you earn. Another is failing to create a budget. Many people also underestimate the importance of saving for emergencies. Without a financial cushion, unexpected expenses often lead to debt. Another mistake is relying entirely on a single source of income. Diversifying income streams can increase stability and resilience. Many people also delay investing for too long. They assume they will start later, not realizing how valuable time is in the investment process. Financial success requires awareness, planning, and disciplined action. Avoiding these common mistakes can dramatically improve your financial future. Number 6, building an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Unexpected expenses can arise at any time, including medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. An emergency fund acts as a financial safety net. Its purpose is not to generate returns, but to provide security. Most experts recommend saving enough to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Start small if necessary. Even a modest emergency fund can prevent financial setbacks from becoming disasters. Store the money in a safe and accessible account. Avoid using it for non-emergency purchases. Building an emergency fund takes time, but the peace of mind it provides is invaluable. Financial security begins with preparation. Number 7, the road to financial freedom. Financial freedom means having enough resources to support your lifestyle